This is kind of this is whiteboard topics. They had like in the adjusting room, layout is critical. As patients waited, we had a whiteboard in front of them with the new topic of the week for them to read about. Whiteboard topic could literally just be like a TV. You could have a TV in there. You could have a computer. You could have games. Right. You're just trying to engage them and keep them, from being like, oh my god, why am I waiting here for so long? Have that like typical like doctor's office type deal. But in reality, like, you just want them to be engaged while they're there in the waiting room, I guess you could say. And if you're gonna have a whiteboard topic, I would really make it something towards that's gonna help them in the long run, right? Think about how if you had a whiteboard topic and you were talking about like health for the week, like, hey, if you just didn't drink one soda a day for a whole week, you'd be losing out on like 1,400 calories for the week, which can help you lose about a pound a week or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, I would do that. Like, if you're going to have a whiteboard topic, you want them to kind of like have them think about how to better themselves and things that they can take on so that they can kind of come back and, read that again, as well as know that they can utilize you for more than just adjustments and, making, just for more things. Again, adding more value to your customers will bring them back 100%.